Hey guys, I am showing you that the sink is clean, the countertop is clean, stove is clean, island is clean, and my table is definitely clean. Hey guys, I wanted to go ahead and get on camera real quick, and pardon the mess I'm in. One thing I wanted to say was this. Okay, so I showed you my clean kitchen for one. Now I didn't do like a whole kitchen, clean with me or anything like that, because there's a reason for that. But I know in this earlier clips of this video, you saw, like spinach on the stove, stuff like that, and the stove was pulled out. Okay, so this is what's going on, is we are doing a refresh in the kitchen now. It's nothing major, it's not a big renovation or anything like that. However, we were getting tired of the tile on the back of we had a little bit of tile. Basically, if you've been on my channel, you know what my kitchen basically looks like, but there was like sheetrock kind of exposed. When we bought this house, it was like a foreclosure type of thing, and we got a pretty good deal on it, I will say that. And we do still plan to do like a renovate my kitchen stuff, because we definitely want granite countertops and all that. But as you know, prices right now are there's just no way financially we can do it right now. However, we are doing a little bit of a refresh in the kitchen. So the reason why I'm not showing you the wall where the stove is because we've already done that wall, but we're not quite finished yet. So we still have something to do. Anyway, I'm not going to reveal what it is. You'll have to see it when it's basically time. But once we started doing the wall over here by the stove and everything, we pulled out the stove and it was quite the mess. I had to clean up quite the mess. The last time I think we have pulled out the stove was probably, I'm going to say 4 or 5 years ago. And basically at that time we had a pest situation, and I'm not going to say what it was because it's really gross and all that, but we had a pest situation. We had an exterminator come in and do some things to the kitchen, to the house and all that, and they had to pull the stove out and stuff like that. So that was the reason why I got to clean behind the stove and all that. But anyway, so now since we're doing this refresh, we had to pull the stove out in order to get to the wall area down there. And let me just say, as you can see, it was quite the mess on that. But it's no longer messy anymore. It's cleaned up and everything like that. So I just wanted to kind of get on here and kind of talk with you, chat with you a little bit, and let you know what was going on and all that. So, and like I said, I'm intentionally keeping you away from the wall area and all that stuff where the stove is. So that's why I was only showing a little bit of the counter, because I don't want you to actually see what's going on just yet. So anyway, I know this video wasn't all exciting. It was just basically me cleaning and back of the stove and everything like that, and all that. It wasn't me doing a full kitchen clean with me or anything like that and all that. But anyway, I do hope you find this inspirational to kind of get behind the stove or get behind appliances or whatever and do a major cleaning. So anyway, with that said, I hope you share, like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.